Good day, kids! Welcome to our third asynchronous session for this quarter. Our objectives for this week is to be able to describe and interpret the basic operation on integers. Quick review: integers are any positive or negative number, including 0. Now let us go to adding and subtracting integers. Remember the song? Let us sing it together. 1, 2, 3, go. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Get the sign of the bigger number, then it'll be exact. One more time. Let's do it. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Get the sign of the bigger number, then it'll be exact. Perfect. Now, let us sing that song every time we add and subtract integers. Let's start with the first number. For adding positive and negative numbers. Let's do this. Negative 2 plus negative 6 is equal to n. Again, same signs add and keep. We have the same signs. So definitely, we just add it. Negative 2 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 8. Let's go to the next number. Negative 6 plus 12 is equal to n. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. They have different signs, so we will subtract them. Get the sign of the bigger number, that is 12, then it'll be exact. What is the answer? 6. Good job. Let's go to the next number. Negative 15 plus negative 2 is equal to n. Same signs, add and keep. What is the answer? Negative 17. Good job. How about negative 18 plus 2? They have different signs. So, of course, we subtract. And, of course, follow the sign of the bigger number. Okay, we follow the sign of the bigger number. So, our answer here is negative 16. How about the next one? 15 plus negative 30 equals n. Okay, we do not have the same signs, right? We have different signs. So, of course, we subtract. Get the sign of the bigger number. The answer is negative 15. Let's go to subtracting integers. It is the same as adding the opposite of the number. Let us focus on our given table. Example, negative 2 minus 9 equals n is the same as negative 2 plus the opposite of positive 9, which is negative 9, equals n. Negative 7 minus 6 is equal to n. It is the same as negative 7 plus the opposite of positive 6, which is negative 6, equal to n. Negative 10 minus 6 is equal to n is the same as negative 10 plus The opposite of 6, which is negative 6, that is equal to n. Now let us answer them. Negative 2 plus negative 9, same signs, add and keep, negative 11. Very good. Negative 7 plus negative 6, same signs, add and keep. The answer is negative 13. Good. Lastly, negative 10 plus negative 6, again, same signs. So we have negative 16. Next set of numbers. Negative 7 minus negative 7 is equal to n is the same as negative 7 plus the opposite of negative 7, which is positive 7, is equal to n. Negative 8 minus negative 2 is the same as negative 8 plus the opposite of negative 2, which is positive 2. That is equal to n. And lastly, negative 4 minus negative 6 is equal to n is the same as negative 4 plus the opposite of negative 6, which is positive 6, is equal to n. Now let us answer these items. Negative 7 plus 7, same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. Get the sign of the bigger number, then it'll be exact. Okay, so what is the answer for negative 7 plus 7? 0. Very good. How about negative 8 plus 2? Okay, it is negative 6. Lastly, negative 4 plus 6. That is, good job, positive 2. Now, let us try these items. Negative 7 minus 3. Okay, so this is subtracting numbers. Now, okay, we can rewrite this, okay, and change it into an addition problem. Okay, let's go. Negative 7 plus the opposite of positive 3, which is negative 3, is equal to n. Now, same signs, add and keep. So negative 7 plus negative 3 is negative 10. The next one, negative 7 minus negative 3. Again, we can write this as negative 7 plus the opposite of negative 3, which is positive 3, is equal to n. Okay, same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. So we have here 4. Okay, but copying the sign of the bigger number, so definitely we have negative 4. Next one, negative 13 minus negative 5 is equal to n. Okay, so now let us have this as negative 13 plus the opposite of negative 5, which is positive 5, is equal to n. Okay, of course, we have different signs, so we need to subtract them and then get the sign of the bigger number. So the answer here is negative 8. Next one, negative 21 minus 21 is equal to n. Okay, let us rewrite that. Negative 21 plus the opposite of positive 21, which is negative 21, is equal to n. Negative 21 plus negative 21 Same signs. So we add and keep. Okay, keep the sign. So we have negative 42. Now let's proceed to multiplying and dividing integers. For multiplying integers, factor number 1 and factor number 2, if they have the same signs, then definitely their product is positive. But if they have different signs, then their product will be negative. So, positive times negative is equal to negative. However, positive times positive is equal to positive, and negative times negative is equal to positive. For dividing integers, it works the same way. Okay? If the dividend and divisors are both positive, then the quotient is also positive. If both the dividend and divisor are negative, then their quotient is positive. But if the divisor and the dividend has different signs, then definitely the quotient is negative. First, now let us go to our first example. Negative 7 times negative 3 is equal to n. Both of the factors are negative numbers. So they have the same signs. Definitely their product is a positive number. Okay, so negative 7 times negative 3, the answer is positive 21. Next, negative 2 times negative 9 is equal to n. Both factors are negatives. They both share the same sign, so their product is definitely positive. The answer is 18. Positive 18. Next, negative 13 times 3 is equal to n. The first factor is a negative number. The second factor is a positive number. They have different signs. So their product is negative. Okay? So what is the answer? Negative 39. Let's go to dividing. Negative 64 divided by positive 8. Negative dividend, positive divisor. The answer or the quotient is definitely negative. The answer is negative 8. Good job. How about negative 72 divided by negative 9? The dividend is negative, so as the divisor. They share the same signs, so the answer should be positive. So the quotient is positive 8. Lastly, let's have 56 divided by negative 7 equals n. 56 or the dividend is positive, the divisor is negative. Different signs will have what? Yes, a negative sign. So the answer here is negative 8. Should you have any questions, do not hesitate to send me a message. I hope that you are going to work on your asynchronous activity during our scheduled session. God bless, kids, and enjoy learning.